Hey, what's going on everyone? I'm Ryan Graft and I'm here at Beta USA. Today, we're going to be taking a look at a few different foot pegs from Fastway that we offer. The first pair of foot pegs that we offer are the Fastway Evo Airs. These foot pegs offer a wide range of adjustability as you are able to adjust the height, camber, and traction. They are also super lightweight, weighing in at 0.60 pounds. The Evo Air foot pegs are made out of billet aluminum for maximum durability and strength. They are even manufactured right here in the United States. These foot pegs will fit all RR and RRS models 2020 and newer. We offer these foot pegs in blue, black, red, and silver. The next pair of foot pegs that we offer are the Fastway Air EXTs. These are very similar to the Evo Air foot pegs but have an ankle saver technology integrated into them. These are also made out of billet aluminum for maximum durability and strength. The Air EXT foot pegs are also lightweight, weighing in at 0.85 pounds. These will also fit all RR and RRS models 2020 and newer. We offer these foot pegs in blue, black, and red. The last pair of foot pegs that we offer are the newest technology from Fastway. These Fastway foot pegs are strong and have more range of motion. These are longer for more foot room and have an anti-mud collecting feature on the footbed. Still, these have a massive range of adjustability. These are also made out of billet aluminum for maximum durability and strength. These will fit all RR and RRS models 2020 and newer. We offer these foot pegs in red, black, and silver. If you're looking to get yourself a pair of Fastway foot pegs, you can contact your local dealer or visit us on our website at betausa.com. Thank you for tuning in, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.